am Ali Chambali from Mert Software and Electronics. I would like to give you some brief information about our new application center, which is under trexAcademy. trexAcademy is about to launch trex's application center, where we will conduct practical trainings about the revolutions of digital transformation. We all know that many workers are still not aware about the revolution of digital transformation. trex will ensure that all the members who will attend to our trainings will have the full practical education about the modern tools and systems which are used in the world of digital transformation. Our vision is to prepare the future of the employees of manufacturing enterprises through trex's MES system. Our mission is to make people know and understand the revolution of digital transformation in production plants. Welcome to our application center, and as you see here around, there are different workstations, and I'm going to show you some of them. This is our panel. We call it NGP, New Generation Panel. So all the data and which are collected from production area, they're going to be displayed here. And this is electropneumatic. As you know, this is a control system involving air pressure controlled by electric current. So if I press here, look here, now it is 4. It came to 5. Now let's say there is a problem, let's say machine breakdown in our system. I press. You can see machine breakdown. So I have to come here and to deal with this machine breakdown. So this system will need me to enter my password, and here I have my card. This is my name. I can enter my password here, and machine breakdown is not there anymore. Well, also there is barcode application. I can start new job by using this one, barcode. Now it's 55. I went to another one, which is 00049. So we can use barcode to start the new job here. Thank you very much. And this one is PLC, as you know. Also we have NGP here as well. So our aim is to collect all the data from PLC when the production is taking place. Now it's switched off, switched on. You can see the number of products which have been produced up now. Well, let's say there is a power cutoff, electric failure. Now, when the authorized person has come here and solved the problem of electricity, so our machine will keep working as normal. And this is the other one. Here the place where we do production. Whenever I press, this produced number is rising up. Also, let's say there is another problem here. The red color means failure of the system or failure of the machine. There is different kind of stoppage, and I can show you here, like stoppage 1, stoppage 2. In our application center also we have got under management system. This is a place where we can show all the collected data by using just a single screen like this one. As I showed you, electropneumatic, I showed the number of production from them. We can see our OAA, we can see our APQ. A means availability, P for performance, and Q for quality. And also we can see, let's say, this workstation. The authorized personnel who is working here is Mr. Chinsoi. We can see OAA 97 and OAA for this workstation is 81. So we correct data instantly. And at the same time, we will need to see the data or the OAA values daily, weekly, and yearly, as you can see through this screen. Thank you very much.